At Masters, we look at three prongs: people, products, and production processes. So we bring in the right people, the right talent, and these people then build a product that the industry requires to be successful for the next 15, 20 years.
We typically launch somewhere between 15 and 20 new products per year. So we are continuing to really invent and recreate metalworking fluid based on what's happening in the market.
We are seeing a lot more new materials, a lot more new processes, a lot more new technology being brought in. And then ultimately we develop new products to support those new processes and new manufacturing environments.
The differentiator for Master is using innovation as a product, investing in technology, and most importantly, the people that make it all happen.
In order to have a people-first culture, you need to do exactly that. You need to put your people first. We currently employ people in 15 countries. So we utilize the diverse team we have and add to it constantly.
I think our product is a great product, one of the best on the planet. I think that it helps our end users do their job better. It helps them save money, it helps them machine more efficiently, lower waste disposal.
Our technology should help our customers be able to machine better parts faster, and we're just working really hard to keep our customers not only on pace, but ahead of the game as technology changes.
Our core has always been, how do we make sure that the customer basically is getting the best value for our fluids, but also, all the knowledge and all the information that we share.
You should be starting with truth, clarity, and integrity in everything you do, and that is something we really strive to do here.
Monitoring the data to drive customer performance is what really drives the company forward.
All of that data can lead us to more effective processes that helps us create a better product for the customer and increases their reliance upon us as a great partner.
Being close to our customers, having long-standing, strong relationships with them provides us better information about how we're doing, and we drive all of that right into our innovation center.
We want to continue to deliver the best products to our customers, make their jobs much easier.